Top 5 First-Time Homebuyer Mistakes to Avoid in the USA, 2025 Guide. Thinking about buying your first home? One mistake could cost you thousands, or worse, leave you stuck with the wrong house. Before you sign anything, watch this video. Buying your first home is exciting, but it can also be confusing and risky. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 mistakes first-time homebuyers make, and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, not getting pre-approved. Before you start looking at homes, get pre-approved for a mortgage. Many people skip this step. They fall in love with a house they can't afford. Pre-approval tells you how much you can actually spend, and it shows sellers you're serious. Mistake number 2, not knowing the full costs. Buying a home isn't just the down payment. You'll also pay closing costs, taxes, insurance, and repairs. There might be HOA fees too. If you don't budget for all these, you could end up house poor. Mistake number 3, skipping the home inspection. The home might look perfect, but don't trust just the looks. Always get a home inspection. It can find serious issues like plumbing, roofing, or electrical problems. A few $100s now could save you thousands later. Mistake number 4, letting emotions take over. Buying a home is emotional, but don't let feelings control the deal. Don't rush just because the house feels right. Stick to your budget, your checklist, and your inspection results. Mistake number 5, choosing the wrong agent. Not all agents are the same. Pick someone who works well with first-time buyers. They should explain things clearly and put your interests first, not just make a sale. Bonus tip, ignoring your credit. Your credit score matters a lot. It affects your loan approval and interest rate. Before house hunting, check your credit, pay off debt, and avoid new credit cards. Avoiding these mistakes could save you thousands of dollars, hours of stress, and even your dream home. So, which mistake surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next video.